In 1990, Crystal Mountain was established in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. With the growing demands of the market, the manufacturing facility opened in Shenzhen, China in 1999. In 2017, Crystal Mountain expanded to a state-of-the-art facility with an area of 366,000 square feet in Dongguan, China. For nearly 3 decades, Crystal Mountain has been breaking boundaries and perfecting the manufacturing of water dispensers. As years go on, they continue to excel in finding new ways to integrate innovative designs into Crystal Mountain's water dispensers. They value and take pride in their commitment to providing their customers with high-quality, long-lasting products. Crystal Mountain has sales and service offices in Canada, USA, China, Hong Kong, and the United Kingdom. They also maintain strategically placed distribution warehouses worldwide. Crystal Mountain is an active member of several global associations. Due to their professionalism, companies from around the world relish their warm and devoted customer service. On track to build a world-class brand, Crystal Mountain's top priorities are to provide their customers with high-quality products. Crystal Mountain manufactures a variety of bottled and point-of-use dispenser models in countertop, top and bottom load styles. Their manufacturing complies to all the latest worldwide standards. Crystal Mountain is committed to ongoing future development that will deliver superior products, backed by outstanding after-sales service on every continent. During production, each water dispenser goes through a rigorous testing process, starting with the helium leakage test, the programmable logical controllers test, the refrigerant leakage test, the air pressure test, the dielectric test, and the dry guard pressure test. Crystal Mountain is backed by their advanced reliability testing department, which performs lifetime testing on each individual part. They perform hourly samples of finished goods that are randomly tested. The products undergo noise testing, microorganism testing, energy consumption testing, and many more tests. To ensure optimal product sanitization, each water cooler goes through a strictly controlled sanitization processing lab. Each cooler is then labeled and a final inspection is performed. Individualized barcodes track location and servicing of the water dispensers throughout their life. The result is a water cooler that provides years of optimum, trouble-free performance. With its modern 54,000 square feet plastics injection on-site molding facility, Crystal Mountain can supply high-quality plastic components. Metal fabrication is also located on-site in its new metal facility. In this way, they can continue to maintain strong partnerships with their suppliers, employees, and customers. Collaboration is a key component for Crystal Mountain staff to communicate ideas and work together as a team. Crystal Mountain strives to create the new global standard of high-quality products from a world-class brand. Crystal Mountain, cooling the waters of the world.